Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a new Cash App account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. To do that, go ahead, tap on this option of open right over here once you have installed your Cash App on your mobile phone and wait for it to open. Now you just have to enter your number if you would prefer, or email numbers. I'm gonna enter my number, including you have to enter your country code, so make sure it's available. If it's not, then you go ahead, go to the email address and add in your email. Right, it will take a while just to go through it. So now they will send a verification code on your email. You have to simply go back to your Gmail over here and wait for the email to arrive from Cash App. And once you have got, you're gonna go ahead, copy this code, you're gonna go back to here and you're gonna paste the code. Tap on next. So as you can see, unfortunately it is not available in my region, so we cannot go through, but all you gotta do is verify, then add your name details. Once you have added your account information like your name and carry yourself a cash tag and added payment informations, you will be able to create yourself an account and get a new account for you. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.